What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it. What is this, like 2 videos in 1 week? We're back, and we're back with a brand new unboxing, a brand new pickup, and yeah, I mean there's not really much to say. I'm just get straight into it. Got the package right here. Something pretty dope is inside this box. It kind of just happened, you know. I didn't really think about picking these up, but you know, it just happened. So let me take these out the box and I'll show you guys, and I'll let you guys know a little secret. Like I said, this was unexpected. It kind of just happened. I saw it. It was in my size. I just had to pull the trigger. But here we have it. Boom! Another Nike pickup. It's in this black box, but it's not just a regular black box. Obviously, it says right there Nike and that glossy finish with that Nike swoosh. Boom! All black. We have size tag and everything, but you guys see that right there, it says undercover. Boom. Let me take these bad boys out. You have undercover tissue paper inside the box, and what we have is the Air Max 720 undercover collab. Now this is one of those collabs that I personally thought it was dope. I like the colorways. There was 3 of them. There was this red one, there was a yellow one, and a black one. And me, I like all 3, but my personal favorite was the red one. Red is my favorite color, and when I saw these bad boys, they were a must. Retail on these was $200, but I got them on sale and I only paid $113. You know, huge shout out to Deals Under Cost. They tweeted out that Essence was having a big sale. You know, every brand is trying to get rid of the old stuff so they can get ready for that new stuff. And yeah, there was a lot of stuff on sale. If you guys don't know what Essence is, it's just like a whole bunch of like big name brands on there. They have Nike, they have Undercover, they have CDG, they have Off-White, they have Balenciaga. They have like all those like designer brands on there, and there was a whole bunch of stuff on sale. And you know, shout out to Deals Under Cost, because I saw their tweet. I was just browsing, you know, see what was on sale, and then I saw these bad boys on there, and I got these for $113, and retail is $200 on these, and it was just a good deal. And I really wanted these. I really mess with this model and just this collab. Obviously it's like red. You have this like pod right here. It's gray with like this light gray. If it can focus, this light gray with this other darker gray with like white speckles, and then you have a red. Your midsole is black with this like blue swoosh right there with white speckles, and obviously it's an Air Max 720, so you have this big ass bubble. And then on the inside, obviously you have that pod as well. And then on your bag you have this pull tab with a small black Nike swoosh, and then you have like these 2 pods right there. You have black laces. Your tongue, it says Air Max, I believe, right there. Boom. On this toe area, you have kind of like this grayish with like light gray with dark gray speckles, and it says Undercover right there. You also have this small little black swoosh, Nike swoosh right there, and obviously your bottom. And then on your air bubble, it actually says "We make noise, not clothes." I have no clue why it says that, but it's on there. We make noise, not clothes. And then back here it actually says undercover, and it actually says 720, but it's kind of hard to see. It says 720 right there, but it's kind of hard to see. And your outsole is blue with Nike and undercover branding right there. And yeah, man, overall I'm a fan of this shoe. I personally like it. Reminds me, I don't know, it gives me that futuristic vibe. And I don't know, man, I'm just personally a fan. I got it on sale. Shout out to deals under cost. And yeah, I just need the yellow pair and that black pair if I can find it. You know, if I can find it on sale for a good price, then I'll pull the trigger. That is pretty much it for this video. Like I said, follow Deals Under Cost on Twitter. I'm not sure if they have an Instagram, but they're mostly on Twitter. They tweet out all these deals all the time, and you know, that's where I got these bad boys. $113 for these. Retail is $200. You save money. Who doesn't love saving money? Make sure to go check them out. You know, it's one of those slept on collabs in my opinion. Like, I'm personally a big fan. This red, man, it's fire. But yeah, link to their Twitter is going to be down below if you guys want to go check them out. Give them a follow because they tweet out a whole bunch of steals. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.